sometimes my kitchen countertops just really are super messy. So we've got a lot going on today. Let's look at this. So I'm making zucchini fritters. They're a little softer than I wanted, but I made some garlic aioli sauce that I just love. We've got the air conditioning on because I boiled tons and tons of water to blanch massive amount of broccoli and cauliflower, which is awesome. And this bowl right here is some cumin. So I gotta see if I can save the little, shake out the little seeds to plant cumin next year. I do smell it, so I know it worked. It just didn't do very good. I am making Annie's boxed mac and cheese. It is organic, but yeah, because that's lunchtime right now. I tried doing zucchini fritters in the oven. No worky there. I've got cupboard doors open. I've got dirty dishes, clean dishes. I'm making yogurt in the yogurt maker. I've got stuff all over the counter. I processed a bunch of zucchini that I've got in a bunch of trays that I'm trying to put in the freezer. Then I'll put them in the food saver bags. And I've got slop for the pigs, a messy floor, more tomatoes, and I also picked a bunch of beautiful herbs though that I've got to get rinsed and start drying out so I can save them for teas. So there's the super. Yeah, sometimes it just gets crazy.